Well, they were taking a bath in the water. Okay? We're taking a bath in the water dish. Get the camera and they ran away. Budgies like to take baths. They usually do it in their water dish. Hey, you had to take a drink after they took a bath. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Every time you put, oh well, for me anyways, I put fresh water in the budgie cage. They all want to come over and take a bath in it. Yeah, and you have to freshen it up again. Nice, eh? Oh yeah. So cute. So cute when you take a bath in the water dish. Why'd you all go quiet all of a sudden? It was just first thing in the morning in the baby budgie cage. Hey, they're loving the sunny day. Yeah, you're loving the sunny day.